Hi guys, this is a decent sized video of all the things I've seen at Dollar Tree within the last week to 2 weeks that I thought was worth recording. So it's going to be a mix of St. Patrick's Day, Easter, and other odds and ends that I found. So I saw in the news yesterday about Dollar Tree taking a more than a 1 billion loss in the last quarter, I guess, of their fiscal year. And they're going to be closing hundreds of stores, is what the article said. Now, the reason this is news for me that you guys might not have heard it is because Dollar Tree is based out of Chesapeake, which is a city that's right by Virginia Beach. So it's news whenever something happens with Dollar Tree for us in this area. But it looks like, according to the article anyways, they're going to be closing more of their Family Dollar stores than Dollar Trees. But I don't know where they're located or if they've even figured that out. I'm not entirely sure. But from what I saw in the article, they're only going to be closing like 30-ish Dollar Trees. So it's going to be a lot more Family Dollars that are closing, which is fine with me because I really don't like Family Dollars. I prefer to shop at the Dollar Tree over all of the other dollar stores. So Dollar General, Family Dollar, and Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is my favorite. And I also like Pop Shelf, which is a Dollar General store, if you guys have seen any of my Pop Shelf videos. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that news. I'm not sure if anyone else has heard about it yet. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. So I went to a couple of different Dollar Trees, well, several different Dollar Trees, I guess, over the time frame in this video, two of which are Dollar Tree Pluses. Now, this Infinity Love wreath form was only $1.25, which really surprised me because I found it at a Dollar Tree Plus, but it was in the regular Dollar Tree section, and yeah, I bought one, and it was definitely $1.25. So I thought it was a great deal. I haven't done anything with it yet because I'm not sure what I want to do. I haven't decided. So plenty of Easter stuff in this Dollar Tree Plus section. What I was looking for specifically at this location was air dry clay. Well, I was looking in all the regular Dollar Trees that I went to, but I figured if they didn't have it in the regular Dollar Tree, they would have it in the Dollar Tree Plus. Unfortunately, they didn't have it in the Dollar Tree Plus because all of their craft stuff was gone, which I thought was pretty weird. So I didn't find it at the Dollar Tree. If you guys have seen air dry clay at the Dollar Tree, let me know if you found it in the Plus section or the regular Dollar Tree section. Now, this surge protector is $1.25. I've only seen it at the one location. I haven't been back to see if they have any left, but I'm gonna say they don't. I bought two. So they have a lot of new crafting items at the different locations. This bottle opener was really cute. It should be magnetic, but it's not. And they had, these are paper kits, like for origami. And their 2 liters are not $1.75. They're still $1.25, it looked like. They have some Coca-Cola items now in the dishes section. Some different makeup bags than what I've seen previously. They look like they're more for the spring and summer travel season. And some new flossing tools in the health section. I've been seeing nylons. Like I don't remember seeing nylons or pantyhose at the Dollar Tree before, but I've seen 2 different brands. They have a lot of fun socks. They're 1 pair for the $1.25. A lot of different Comet cleaners for different, like the bathroom or the kitchen and that kind of thing for your spring cleaning needs. Now, I bought 2 of the Westcott scissors because I thought that was a good brand, but I couldn't even cut a candle wick with the, with the one that I opened. So I was pretty disappointed about that. So just fair warning, they're not that great. And these multicolored ink pens I thought were cute. And it'd be fun Easter basket edition. They have spring dots. And I liked this. It's a plastic cup. I liked the look of it. These are pillow covers. They have where you can write on the glass of a car. Now, I've never seen this brand of games. Usually, I guess sometimes they have the bigger games, but they had these 4 different ones in the toy section. They have some baby shower stuff on an end cap at this store. Like more than what they have like standard, because, you know, spring is baby season. Some nice adult coloring books. And these puffy stickers I'm seeing everywhere. They're like for scrapbooking. I keep seeing them at the different stores. They have some fun, like warmer activities. Like, you know, you can go outside and paint these sun catchers. It'd be great to add to an Easter basket as well. The light up jump ropes are back. Grape Mike and Ike's, and then they have this pack of Hi-Chew. Usually they have the bags that are multi-flavor variety. This spoon rest looked really nice. I'd never seen it before. Some fun different bath stuff for kids. These are like honeycomb frames, different sizes. I thought they were cute. They're plastic. This from the plus section. Those are Stanley dupes, but they are pretty much the same as what they have at Five Below. Little metal lunchbox things. Now and Later jelly beans. These are TY brand, which I thought was awesome. They're $1.25 as well. Something that's also fun for Easter, I think. Here's more of those socks. It seemed like every store I went to had different socks. Or like just some additions to the ones that I had already seen. Some pretty spring decor. This was a new dish pattern than what I've been seeing with the butterflies. I thought it was pretty. Foldable sunglasses. I got a pair just to keep in my car. That S-hook with the decoration I thought was great because, you know, usually a plain one is just $1.25, but they have the one with the decoration on it too. They have some hair dyes. I hadn't seen that before, a polishing cloth. It was the only one I saw too. It was just sitting on the shelf randomly. Queen V stuff. These are like popcorn bags for spring. They're really cute. Spring and summer, I guess. More summer than spring, you know, for your outdoor movie nights. And then they have little mini laundry stuff like you would see at a laundromat. So I thought that was neat. Even the Downy laundry refresh, which was cool. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Your support really means a lot. I am just about to 900 subscribers, which is very exciting. Makes only 100 more to go to get to 1,000. And I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. They had eyelash cases, which I thought was fun. I don't wear fake eyelashes, but if you need a case, you can get it at the Dollar Tree. Some different kids' toothbrushes. The cleaning goo, they had a blue and a green. I don't think it matters the color. These are puzzles. Also a good addition to Easter baskets, I think. Pegboard stuff is still out in most stores. And I guess the Dollar Tree building block Lego dupes work with Legos. I didn't realize that, but that's pretty exciting, I think. I don't know how good they are. I am a Lego person, but I've never bought any of their sets from the Dollar Tree. I might buy a set or two and just to try them out and see, how they compare. Some cute little pencil pouches that you could use for makeup pouch also. These are like magazine holders or paper holders, and they're cardboard, but they had some really fun designs on them. Nice bright colors.